Once upon a time, in a quiet village, there was a library that held a special secret. It was said that within its walls, there was a magical book called The Final Chapter. This book was said to grant a single wish to anyone who read it from cover to cover. Tanvir, a kind-hearted young man, heard about this book and decided to find it. He believed that if he could make a wish, he would ask for happiness for his family and friends. With determination in his heart, Tanvir set off on a journey to locate the mysterious library. After a long search, Tanvir finally discovered the hidden library at the edge of the village. Its shelves were filled with books of all shapes and sizes. With excitement, he asked the librarian for the final chapter. The librarian, a wise old woman, smiled and handed him a small, unassuming book. Tanvir found a cozy corner and began to read. As he turned the pages, he was transported into a world of enchanting adventures and heartwarming tales. The characters in the book faced challenges and found their way to happiness through courage and kindness. As days turned into nights, Tanvir couldn't put the book down. He laughed with the characters, cried with them, and learned valuable lessons about love and friendship. With each page, his heart swelled with a sense of hope and warmth. Finally, after what felt like both a lifetime and a fleeting moment, Tanvir reached the last page. He closed the book, a contented smile on his face. It was time to make his wish. Tanvir returned the book to the librarian, who looked at him kindly. "Have you decided what your wish will be?" she asked. Tanvir nodded, his heart full of gratitude. "I wish for the happiness of all those I love." The librarian's eyes twinkled with approval. She whispered ancient words, and a gentle breeze filled the room. Tanvir could feel his wish being granted, spreading out like ripples in a pond. From that day on, the village seemed to glow with an extra dose of joy. Laughter echoed through the streets, and smiles graced every face. Tanvir's family and friends felt a newfound sense of contentment and fulfillment. Tanvir knew that the magic of the final chapter had touched their lives forever. He had discovered that true happiness wasn't found in grand wishes, but in cherishing the moments with the ones you love. And so, in that little village, the legend of the final chapter lived on, reminding everyone that the most precious chapters in life are written with love, kindness, and the simple joy of being together.